Alright, what's up guys? So right now we're in a trade. I entered at 947. I'll explain the recap in a second. Let me remove this. Now, as long as we inverse this bullish for value gap, we should push lower. So yeah, I'm waiting for that. Right now we are Wednesday, March 4, March. So yeah, let's see what happens. Market open, we swept London highs, manipulated above a little bit, then displaced lower with speed and efficiency. Not only that, we inversed this 930 bullish FVG and we created a bearish FVG. Everything was aligned with my context. So in macro I enter stop loss above and TP 1 to 2. Market is very volatile, so right now we're risking 50 points for 100 points, which is good risk. I'm still risking only 400 today. Yeah, I'm risking 400. The most we were up at some point was 300, so I'll keep it in mind. And well, meanwhile we're waiting. Like I said, I'll just wait. As soon as we inverse this gap, TP should be hit. Until then, I'm still waiting. We have news in 10 minutes. Keep that in mind. And yeah, so I was gonna say, right now I am on my, what's it called, Take Profit Pros, 25k. So let's just wait for this trade to get get done with it, so I can speak my plan, right? So yeah, let's just wait. 950, although we closed barely in the gap, I'll still wait. Honestly, I don't think I'll close any position anytime soon. If anything, there's one thing I can do, and is move my stop loss to here. Since we went out of the FVG, so we sweep that completely and then closed below. Like, as of right now, this is beautiful work. So I'll go here and put my stop loss here. This is 28 points, so this is 200 plus 3. Yeah, this is valid right now. When it's safe and it's valid and everything's being respected, I can move it too. So yeah, whatever the trades happen. So yeah, I was saying, as you guys know, Apex just updated the rules and they have some very good rules. So basically, end of day drawdown, 10 accounts, end of day drawdown, 100 profit split for your first 25k requested. Can request up to 6k and pay 6 time. It's like 2k max payout, 2k, 2.5, and other stuff. Anyway, regardless. As of right now, it's a very interesting firm. Although it's 5 winning days to request, you can request 100%, not 50, you know? So I'm really interested in them, and I can have up to 10 accounts with them. So yeah, whatever happens with TPT best firm, I love it. The problem is the intraday bullshit. Right now I was up 300. So for example, if I lose, it's gonna be 300 plus 200. Anyway, so yeah, I'll keep trading with take profit until something happens to the account. When something happens to the account, I'm gonna go with 10 apexes. Now I'll check if I'm gonna get 50Ks or 150Ks depending which one gives me the best, because we're capped on payouts, right? For example, 150k, I can request 2000 or 2500 each 5 winning days. So for example, multiply by 10, first payout, right? There's some other rules, but it's all good. First payout, bank, 34k CAD, straight in my bank. Okay, so this trade ended up being an L. Now, it all made sense, so it's a valid L. My stop loss right there was valid. I don't need it to have it here anymore. This is like a good high to put my stop loss at. Just the way everything played out with speed and efficiency, we just went straight down. So everything was still valid. Yeah. Yesterday, obviously no trade, and Monday was a good day, kinda. I'm trying to see how much I potentially have left. Because yesterday I did, even though we had no trade, the profit from Monday were gone, so it wasn't that bad. It was only a loss of 280. So let's say 300 plus 300. I was at some point up 300 in profit. Now I don't know if this is gonna trail since I'm not up 25k and more. No, I think I'm still good. Anyway, regardless, I'm still gonna keep trading like I'm doing, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. 227. Yeah, I'm only down yesterday minus 300, today minus 200. So yeah, 500. The intraday shouldn't have moved because I didn't make any profit while I was more than 25k. Okay. Can I see anything interesting? We have news in 4 minutes. Although this was like a protected high, what can we see is happening is we still actually hit it, but we are respecting it. 955, we ended up closing below the gap after a retrace. Now we have this gap right there, this bullish gap. I'm honestly interested in taking another trade here. Let's see what's gonna happen. See if I can take a trade. 11%. But yeah, take profit once the intraday buffer is gone, so I don't have any more drawdown. It's best firm, daily payout, straight up everything. But the way Apex, you can get 10 accounts with 100 profit split and everything, just is very nice at the moment. Like, we can milk them very, very easily. That's what I mean. And it's just easier. You know that you have end of day drawdown. You can pass the account in one day, but doesn't matter. You just trade what you trade. Stuff like that. Here, I'll cut the video until I'm in the next trade or done. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so as of right now, we had the news at 10, we pushed all the way up, took these equal highs, and as of right now, looks like we're gonna keep on going higher. Now, is there anything I could have done better? I think I did everything perfectly, honestly guys. From putting my stop loss right there, I'm minimizing, it's a safer stop loss, it's a respected stop loss, and I only lost 200. If I kept it here, I could have lost 400. So in a way, I did save myself more loss today, so that was good. But let's say I was still in the trade. I can see that we are respecting this bullish FEG. We made another one right there, but we had news in like 1 minute. So regardless, the best thing I did was putting my stop loss right there for everything, for every scenario. Right now, I think I'm done for the day. 10:02. I could say another potential setup, but if I don't want to keep my win rate going, then it's one trade a day, and whatever happens, happens. Even if I lost 200, technically, I'm supposed to lose my actual 375 or 400 as of right now for my buffer. That's why I don't like to record live, guys, because like I'm trying to think what to say while seeing price action. Okay, let's just wait 2 more minutes if you guys want to watch. 2 more minutes. Let's just see what the price does. As of right now, we went all the way back up at the news, grabbed this buy side, these equal highs. We are respecting them. We are respecting them. We just inverse this whole bullish candle. Now this FEG is invalid. I need to find a new one, or I get in at this one. We went all the way back down from London highs. Okay, I'm gonna wait, because right now, yes, we inverse this bearish gap, but if I can get the bearish gap plus an actual FVG aligned with my context, it's gonna be like double confirmation, so it's gonna be very nice. So let's wait a second. All right. Thinking is, we went all the way up at the news. we swept what we needed to be swept, right? We swept these equal highs. We respected them. We went all the way back down. We inversed this bullish gap. Not only we inversed this bullish gap, we created a bearish gap. We created a bearish gap. Price came back in this inverse and this bearish, you know, everything makes sense. Of course, if the trade's not going to play out, it's not going to play out regardless, but everything made sense. Stop loss is still at those technical highs. Could I have placed them up there? Yes. I don't think it's really going to change for this amount of points. So yeah, now that this is said, now of course, if my first trade I was risking, for example, my usual risk 500 and I lost, I would have just been done. I think regardless if I lost only 250 or 500, okay, I'm cooked. Alright, so today we lost 560. There's nothing to say, honestly. Everything made sense, so it's still valid losses. And I only lost 500, so 24,100. Let me check. Minus 24,150. Okay, so I still have like 2 trades of 375 or something. Alright guys, so yeah, that was the trade. Days like those, even though everything makes sense, the second I take an L, I just need to be done for the day. But we'll see for March. As of right now, Monday was alright. Yesterday no trade, today L day, right? So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Like I said, worst come to worst, I'll go with Apex. Just have the peace of mind, no intraday drawdown, no nothing. And because it's 5 winning days and my payout is capped, I can generally risk only, for example, for the 50Ks, I have 2K drawdown. Normally, what do? I risk around 500, 500, 500, 250, 250. So I have 5 Ls in a day. I have 5 Ls in a row to even blow the account, right? But I can easily just risk 250 for 500, because regardless, I'll need 5 winning days. And once the 5 winning days are done, I can request a max payout too on all 5 accounts. And me risking 250, I have double. I need to take like 8 to 10 losses in a row to even blow the account. So it's very more calming. So yeah, I'll say about that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.